Yay, you are on the last part, step 4. So now that you're watching the video, you are going to be able to play a place value game. Hopefully it works. I'm going to take you there and kind of show you what it should look like if you are doing it correctly. So just right at the bottom, you are going to click this link to hopefully bring you to the next page. So I'm going to click it now and have it take me there. Okay, so here is the site that it should take you to. It's called Boom Cards. So it's kind of an interactive game and it's just practicing the skill that you have gone through Monday and Tuesday learning. So hopefully it takes you there. I set up an account for all of you, so I'm hoping if you just push the link, it will take you directly there. If not, it is okay. And if you want to just write me a note and say it didn't work, you are more than welcome to. So it just looks like this. So it says, what is the number? So tens, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, which my number would be 44. So I'm just going to click it and it's going to tell you if it's correct or not, and then it will switch to the next one. Okay, so now after explaining that, I hope this makes more sense about playing the game a little bit. So please enjoy and great job on finishing this stuff. And then go back to Google Classroom and take the math review. All right, have a great day. Thank you so much for working hard. Talk to you soon.